my printer. This is a classic Prusa 2 with a few mods on it, specifically the larger screen, and it's no longer on springs here. So, but of course the real showstopper is this mess here, and this mess down here, this mess over here. So when this printer first arrived, I got this from Maker Farm. And they did a great job. They really did. For what I bought, it was excellent. It was well documented. They were super helpful. Props to them. Now, it didn't come with a fan that would keep this bit here cool. So after about 45 minutes, this block gets so hot, the heat rises all the way up into here, and then I'll go right back. And when the heat comes all the way up here, where the gear from this motor is pushing the plastic through, the plastic has actually turned soft from the heat, and then this is just pushing mud, so it doesn't go any further. And actually, in this case, that worked out in my favor. So, originally it didn't come with this fan, and I had added one. And up until about a week ago, I was using this paper shroud as a little origami fix to make sure the air blew where it belonged. And actually it was working great, but this would vibrate in the wind, and it was noisy. So I tried to 3D print a nice fan shroud because I'd seen a lot of other people on Reddit 3D printing do something similar. There's no proper way to attach a fan shroud down here. This whole gantry system just doesn't isn't designed for it. So I had hot glued it on this side, which is the same as I had done with the paper one. And it looks like what happened is that the heat from the head here then melted the bottom of the fan shroud because it was mounted right up in there. Yeah, just like 2 millimeters away to get as much airflow as possible. Once that melted, the whole head here fell off, and then that's probably what shifted these layers. You can see this pattern repeats because every time this bumped something, it knocked this bed into a new location. And of course, with the fan off, after about 45 minutes, it stopped pushing plastic at all. So I had left it running for about 2 hours when I came back to check on it, and this was the state of affairs. Anyways, so now that this has been cleaned off, I'm going to replace that fan with a new shroud. Heat the block there to soften the plastic and clean it all off. Recalibrate, re-level. Probably have to pull the filament out through by opening this head and resetting it because it'll be mush in there. And then I can try and do another leveled test print. Well, I'm not sure how I'm going to get a new fan shroud to stick on there. I know how I do it with a Prusa 3 or some other device, but if you have experience with Prusa 2 and how to get a fan in there, then please post below and let me know.